Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of will move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, gold already made a high of around $2947, and from there is a profit booking has come. So we have seen the price has come down. Okay, and if you look at this particular trend, you have to understand that whenever the gold is making new high, okay, a sharp fall we have seen. If you look at these points, we have seen a profit booking has come. That means after making a new high, we have seen a good fall. Okay, this is what we have seen. Now if you look at this particular trend, what we have seen, that on Friday there is a sharp fall after making a half around $29.46 around, and then it came down and made a low of around 28.77. Okay, now the price trading at a level of $28.82. Okay, and I've clearly explained you that whenever it is making a new high, we have seen a good fall. So you have to remember, when the price started hitting all-time high, trail your SL by $5 or $7. Okay, now what we have seen, it has already made a new high, so you can trail your SL. Okay, even downside. Suppose if you have sold at a level of around 45, okay, and you keep trailing your SL by $5 or $7, so you will capture a big movement towards downside. Okay, this is what the best thing you can do. Okay, now looking at this particular chart, what we can see, if the price keep moving above a level of $29.13, we will see there will be a further upside. But if it started falling below a level of 28.60, we will see there will be a fall, and then there will be a zone breakout, so further downfall will be there. But if started sustaining over a level of 29.13, a further upside movement we can see. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can move in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, let's see how the dollar index is moving. I have already explained you that the dollar index trading at a level of $106.7. Okay, and 107.3 is a strong level. When the price was above this level, this was acting as a support. Now the price is below this level, this will act as a resistance. So suppose if it started sustaining this level, it will go towards 107.1, and after this level it can touch a level of 107.3. So once started sustaining over 107.3, we can see there can sustaining above a level of 107.3, we can see it will go further upside towards 107.9 to a level of $108.5. Okay, and once started moving off this level, probability of touching 109.5, and then further upside we can see. Okay, so when I tell you that the dollar index started going upside, we will see the gold price comes down. Similarly, if the dollar index started going down, we will see the gold price goes up. Particular chart, what we can see, if you look at this particular chart, if the price started falling below this level, it will move towards a level of 106.5, and if it started going below that level, probability of touching 106.2 will be there, and then it will go towards 105.6, and from there it will go further down towards $105.5, and then there will be a zone breakout, so further downfall we can see towards 104.5. Okay, now if you look at the gold price, see, you have to understand that when the price started making new high, this is what we have seen, it started coming down. Now if the price started falling below this particular level, what we can see, it is at a strong level. So if it keeps sustaining this level, we can see a bounce back can come from $28.82, then it can go further upside. But if the price didn't sustain this level, the next support we can see coming at a level of $28.77. Okay, and once the price started falling below this particular support, the next support coming at a level of $28.74. Okay, and once started falling below this particular level, after this level we can see a level of $28.64, which is already being a weak support. So chances are high the price will fall further down, and it will go towards a level of around $28.51. Suppose if the price started falling below a level of 28.51, chances of going towards a level of 28.45 will be there. And if the price started falling below 28.55, a probability of touching 28.41 will be there, and then from there a further downfall we can see towards a level of $28.35. Okay, and then there will be a zone breakout, so we can see it will move towards $28.31. Okay, and then a further fall we can see towards a level of 28.27 to a level of 28.17. Okay, and then it will move towards a level of 28.03, and then a further downfall we can see. Okay, and if the price started falling into 2800, a further downfall will be there. But as I've already explained you, market is uncertain. Okay, so if it started moving off this level, okay, but if it started falling below a level of 2834, probably you're going towards 2870 to a level of 2803, and then it will move below 2800, so chances of falling will be there. Okay, because there will be a zone breakout, so chances of downfall will be there. But if it started sustaining this level, it will can move towards a level of 2887, which is our resistance one. So if the price started going up this level, a further upside we can see towards a level of $28.99. And if that sustain above that level, we will see it will go towards a level of $29.09. And if it sustain that level, we will see it will go towards $29.14. Okay, if the price moving off that particular level, chance of touching a level of 29.30 will be there, and if that sustain, a further upside we can see towards $29.39. And if the price moving over that particular level, chance of touching 29.44 will be there. Okay, and then there will be a zone breakout, so we can see the price will go further high, and chances of going further upside will be there towards 29.50, and then a further upside will be there. So you have to trail your SL by $3 or $5, okay, depending on the volatility, and reduce your quantity to half as per the volatility and SLN target increase or decrease. Okay, you have to understand. So probably can we have the price sustain this level, we can see a level of 29.70 also, and then a new high. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe it. Thank you.